Hello. Today we are going to learn a song, SS Love, and I'm going to be playing in the key of B. Love is too much, you excess love, too much, you excess love. Jesus, your love is too much, you excess love, too much, you excess love. Alright, so I'm going to explain the chords. It's a 1-4-1-5 progression. It's a simple progression. So let's start with the intro. This is the chord 1 for B, and that's your B flat, C sharp, E flat, then F sharp. So B flat, C sharp, B, and then G sharp. So the second we have F sharp, E flat, C sharp. Alright, so on your hand, or on your left hand, the first, when you're playing, you start with your B and then F sharp. So when you're starting, right, so this is your fourth chord. On your left, I'm playing E, and then on my right, I'm playing B, E, F sharp, G sharp. So then come back to your chord 1. Alright, so now this is your fifth chord. Now for your fifth chord, you have a F sharp, C sharp, and then F sharp. And then on my right, this is the chord, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, C sharp. Alright, so I'm just playing this F sharp here. So I play like this with my left hand. Alright, so let's play everything. Your love is kind. Your love is kind. Jesus, your love is too much. Excess love, too much. Excess love. Jesus, your love is too much. Excess love, too much, excess love. Alright, so These chords should be able to help you to play the song. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.